Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by verifying the fundamentals. Install the latest GPU driver for your card, and then add CUDA or ROCm so the system exposes the device. Once done, install Visual Studio Code and enable WSL2 or remote containers depending on your workflow so you can isolate dependencies. Make sure to install the language runtime you'll use, like Python, and the Vscode extensions for remote development. This lets Vscode talk to the GPU securely and reproducibly. Next, configure Vscode to use that GPU-enabled environment. Open your project in WSL or a Docker container that mounts /dev/NVIDIA or the ROCm device. Then select the interpreter from that remote environment. This ensures packages like Torch or TensorFlow use the GPU. Install Vscode extensions, remote, Python, Docker, and any GPU debugging tools. Run a minimal test script that queries available devices, so you confirm the runtime detects the GPU. Now run your training or inference job from Vscode and monitor the GPU with NVIDIA SMI or ROCm SMI in the integrated terminal so you can watch utilization and memory. Once running, tune batch size, mixed precision, and layer placement for speed and memory efficiency. If something fails, verify driver and CUDA/ROCm versions match, check that the remote environment has device access and correct permissions, and confirm containers, mount the GPU device. This single check resolves most problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.